Okay guys, got some breaking news right now coming from India. Reports say of a Air India Express flight number 1344 has overrun the runway at Kozhikode Airport in India. Local reports that says there are at least 180 souls on board. The incident took place amidst of heavy rainfall just after 7 p.m. local time in India. Getting reports of 2 fatalities right now. I believe one might be the pilot and another one might be a passenger. The plane in question right now is a 13.7-year-old 737 registered as Victor Tango Alpha X-ray Hotel. The plane first flight was back on November 15, 2006. The airline then was delivered to the airline back in November 30th of 2006. So this is a flight pattern of Air India 1344. Took off from Dubai Airport, bound for Kozhikode in India. You can see it took off normally fine at Dubai, bound for Kozhikode. As they were approaching Kozhikode, which is going to be right here, they were been hold for quite some time in a holding pattern because of the heavy rain at the airport. As I think they were given proof to landing, I think that's when the accident occurred. So they were put in a holding pattern for like solid, like I don't know, like possibly, I don't know, just making a guess, possibly like solid 20 minutes before it crash landed. See, this is the height and the speed that that plane was going. You see here.